Feeling like you're constantly dragging yourself out of bed no matter how much you sleep? Accidentally oversleeping and missing important events because your body just won't cooperate? The key to finally conquering these exhausting sleep struggles could be in understanding your circadian rhythm. Have you ever struggled with feeling energized in the morning or winding down at night? Share your experiences in the comments below. You're not alone, and we're going to tackle this together. Now, before we get into this, I have to clear up one common misconception. Your circadian rhythm is not some sort of strange dance that cicadas do, although that would be pretty entertaining to watch. It's actually your body's internal 24-hour clock, and it's the secret to unlocking your full potential. Understanding your circadian rhythm isn't just about science. It's about unlocking the secret to better sleep, more energy, and peak productivity. Let's unlock the secret together. Hey there, welcome to Avoid Burnout with the Wheel of Success. I'm Stephen Walters, and for over 50 years, I've been on my own journey of dealing with burnout and harnessing the power of my circadian rhythm throughout the changing seasons of my life. Through those experiences, I've learned strategies that can help you finally take back control of your sleep, energy, and productivity. And I'm excited to share them with you today. Just like you might be caring enough to share this video with someone who you know is constantly oversleeping to help them out too. Thanks. They will truly appreciate it, as do I. All right, with that bit of sharing, caring, and clarity out of the way, it's time to really get into the core of what we're here to discuss today, your circadian rhythm. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Circadian rhythm? What in the world is that? Well, let me break it down for you. Your circadian rhythm is your body's internal 24-hour biological clock that regulates all sorts of physiological and behavioral processes, from your sleep-wake cycle to hormone release, and even your body temperature fluctuations. Whether you're struggling to get out of bed in the morning, finding yourself accidentally oversleeping and missing important events, or just feeling constantly fatigued, the root of the problem could be one or more of your circadian rhythms are out of whack. But fear not, my friend. In this video, I'm going to share the key principles of circadian rhythms, and more importantly, provide you with practical, actionable tips to help you take back control and optimize your own rhythm for ultimate success. Let's start with the basics. The most well-known circadian rhythm is the sleep-wake cycle. In humans, this cycle is roughly 24 hours long, with our bodies naturally tending to be alert and awake during the day and sleepy and ready for rest at night. But what controls this internal clock of ours? It all comes down to light exposure. You see, our eyes have special photoreceptors that detect light signals, particularly in the blue spectrum, and sends these signals to the brain's master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SN for short. The CSN in your brain is like the maestro of an orchestra, making sure every part of your body keeps to the right rhythm, from when you sleep to when you're almost alert. The CSN also synchronizes all the other biological clocks in our body, regulating everything from hormone release to body temperature. Now that we've covered the basics of how our circadian rhythms work, let's explore why they're so important. You might be wondering, why is this internal clock such a big deal? Well, let me tell you. This rhythm plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. For starters, it helps regulate our sleep-wake cycle, ensuring that we feel alert and awake during the day and allowing for restful sleep at night. It also governs the release of important hormones like melatonin, which promotes sleep, and cortisol, which promotes wakefulness. And get this, it even affects our body temperature with a drop in the early hours of the morning to promote sleep and increase in the late afternoon to boost our alertness. Okay, so now that we know how important the circadian rhythm is, the big question is, how do we adjust it? Well, the key is to make gradual changes. If you need to shift your rhythm, such as waking up earlier or going to bed later, try moving your bedtime and wake-up time by just 15 to 30 minutes each day until you reach your desired schedule. Sudden drastic shifts can lead to all sorts of difficulties in adjusting. Another crucial factor is light exposure. Spending time in natural light, especially in the morning, is crucial for resetting your circadian clock. Open those curtains, go for a walk outside, or invest in a light therapy lamp to simulate the effects of natural sunlight. Have you noticed how different lighting affects your energy levels? Let us know in the comments. And in the evening, be mindful of limiting your exposure to bright blue light emitting screens like phones, tablets, and computers. This type of light signals to your brain that it's still daytime, disrupting your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. So before we wrap up, let's quickly go over what we've learned today about mastering your circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm is like your body's internal clock, managing everything from when you feel awake to when you're ready to sleep. Light exposure is key. Getting natural light in the morning can help set your rhythm for the day, while reducing blue light from screens at night helps signal your body it's time to wind down and go to sleep. Making gradual changes to your sleep schedule and being consistent can help adjust your internal clock without throwing you off balance. Being mindful of your environment, like the lighting and your screen time plays a big part in keeping your circadian rhythm on track. By understanding and adjusting these elements, you can improve your sleep quality, boost your energy throughout the day, and enhance your overall productivity and well-being. If these tips have been helpful, or if you've got strategies of your own to share, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insights, and share this video with friends or family who might also benefit from unlocking the secrets of their circadian rhythm. Your support helps us reach and help more people just like you. Remember, improving your circadian rhythm is not just about better sleep. It's about elevating your entire life so you can say goodbye to constant fatigue and burnout, and hello to increased energy, productivity, and overall well-being. That also includes watching this video next that deals with oversleeping and what you can and should do about it. If you're ready to take back control of your circadian rhythm and level up your success, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment letting me know what you think about this topic. I'll see you online soon.